Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on daily tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can log in to the Textra SMS app. Now, firstly, to log into the Textra SMS app, you'll have to make sure that your device is connected to the internet and then make sure that the Textra application is installed on your device. After you've made sure of these things, go ahead and open up the Textra application. Once you open up the application, you will be on this page. Now on this page, simply click on this Start Using Textra option. Now for Textra to work on your phone, it has to be the default SMS app. So if you want to use this application, on this pop-up, click on Textra and then click on the Set as Default option. Now as you can see, once you set Textra to default, all your messages or your SMS messages will be synced to Textra and you can use it as you want. I hope this video helped you to log into Textra. Don't forget to like, share and comment on the video, and do subscribe to the channel for more such amazing tutorials. Thank you for watching.